Hey everybody, and welcome to
Liam's Toy Time.
And Liam, today we got something awesome that we're going to show. What do you have there?
Thomas and Friends 2019 minis.
Right on. And these, as far as we know, are pretty rare. So let's show the first one.
Sushi Spencer.
Sushi Spencer. All right. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
It has some ingredients on it.
What does it have on it?
I don't know.
Some sushi, right?
Some sushi.
And it's very colorful.
And it has chopsticks.
All right. So could I see that bag for just a second? There, can you? So this will be helpful. This will be what everybody probably would want to know for these 2019 series. If you are interested in getting Sushi Spencer, the code is 2328D/372, and I'll show it to you right there. 2328D/372. Okay, on to the next one.
But I forgot to tell you about the Niagara Chamber in green.
Okay.
I like
Tell us about it.
It's colorful.
Yeah, absolutely. I dig it. I think it's a great mini train. Okay, let's go to the next one.
Here we go. Next bag.
Let's take it out of the bag. What's it gonna be?
Dog Thomas.
Oh, no way. Dog Thomas. Let's see if I can zoom in on it. Can we get a little closer to see his? Let's see his face. Wow. Let's show the side. That is so cool.
And there's another one that has the tail.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Can we see the back? So what do you like about that one?
I like the facial expression.
Nice.
It's funny.
We love dogs, so that's a really cool looking train. Looks just like a little puppy dog, doesn't it?
Yeah, how sweet.
Absolutely. Can you let me see the bag for a second, and I'll share that information with everybody. Thank you. Again, this is what the front of the bags look like.
But what minis are on it?
You have 2019, and then the Thomas and Friends Minis logo. And on the front,
Which minis?
it shows Racing Thomas, Dinosaur Percy.
Steelworks James.
Thank you, Steelworks James, Space Spencer.
Bolts Diesel 10.
And there you go. What was the last one, Leah?
Bolts Diesel 10.
Bolts Diesel 10. So, if you are interested, this is the code for Dog Thomas. It is 2328D/368. And here is on the back of the package, it shows the code.
But can we end the video with the facial expression?
What facial expression?
On the mini.
Sure. Let me, can we lower it down some? There we go. Get a little closer. That's so cool. We'll show the sides again too real quick. There's the tail. You see the collar, the number, Thomas's 1 is kind of on the collar, which that's really neat. Can you, there you go. I like the fact that the wheels are different colors. So yeah, well in the video, like Liam wanted to, which is a great idea. You got to bring it down some. Here's Dog Thomas's cute little face.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. All right, thanks everybody. Before we get out of here, please, if you like this video, please give it a like and please subscribe to Liam's Toy Time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.